2024 is upon us, and as designers, staying up to date with design trends is crucial. So design trends are just predictions based upon popular design patterns and practices that are evolving over the course of the years. So it is a good thing to know the things that are gradually phasing out, those that are working so well, and more importantly, the reasons they are. So in this video, we're going to look at some graphic design trends that you will need to familiarize yourself with in 2024 and beyond. The global emphasis on sustainability and eco-friendliness has gained significant traction over the years. Hence, it is imperative for designs to evolve with an heightened focus on sustainability that is predicted or anticipated to take center stage in 2024 and beyond, with an increased number of companies embracing a sustainable approach in their business operations. The mindset is expected to extend to the visual aspects of their branding. So graphic designers will not only incorporate eco-friendly aesthetics to their style, but will also explore creative adaptation in print. So more eco-friendly materials will be a thing of choice for print, and more so, brand will be looking up to designers for more creative and witty ways to reduce carbon footprint. So these responsibilities extend to thinking beyond conventional practices such as minimizing print toner consumption, emphasizing recycled materials and eco-conscious color palettes in product packaging most especially. So designers will be challenged to implement innovative approaches such as using QR codes for accessing materials, contributing to environmental impact. One exciting trend that is expected to take center stage in 2024 and beyond is pushing the boundaries of typography. Prior to this time, we favored a more aligned, neatly stacked, and minimalistic design style for typography. However, a shift is underway as designers become bolder, fearless, and unapologetic in their use of typography. This will pave way for more unique approach in typography design as more hand-drawn typefaces will be adapted. Words will exude more character, and one prevalent style currently making way is the bubbling typography. This style features minimal space between characters, a more rounded font, and playful vibe. Think of the expressive flair found in graffiti art translated into digital realm. Expect to witness more designs that are visually striking, incorporating vibrant colors and distinct style. Less is more, well, not anymore. For over a decade, modernism and minimalism has been the go-to aesthetics for graphic designers and brands. However, a new design movement marked by an explosion of color, pattern and texture is gracefully re-emerging in the design world. This is called Maximalism, which is actually the opposite of minimalism. Think bold geometric shapes, vibrant clash of color palettes, and quirky retro fonts. This trend is all about embracing the more is more mentality, resulting in visually stimulating and unabashedly fun designs. Diversity and inclusion should not be considered an option. Instead, they should be regarded as industry standard. So how does this matter, and how can we integrate this trend into designs moving forward? So in the realm of graphic design, it entails depicting designs and products with a more authentic representation of people, which are individuals who aren't professional models and who defy the conventional standards set by society. This involves establishing a stronger connection with the audience by incorporating diverse representation of people in our design. Designers are introducing visual elements that celebrate a wider spectrum of race, ethnicity, gender, ability, and body type. Google recently updated emoji libraries to exemplify this shift by incorporating a broader range of skin tone, hairstyle, gender expression, representing a more inclusive representation of identities. More so, designers are now placing emphasis on accessibility in their design, ensuring that visuals are user-friendly for individuals with visual impairment. This can easily be practicalized by using bolder fonts and thinking of individuals with color blindness by incorporating more contrasting colors that when it is converted to black and white, it is visible to them. The shift towards inclusiveness transcends mere trends. It is a recognition of the profound impact design can have in fostering empathy, understanding, and a sense of belonging in our shared world. Designers are seeking inspiration from the 60s and 70s. Think of retro, think of funky typographies and patterns. Yes, a lot of that will be incorporated or introduced in branding and packaging designs in 2024. With the rise of artificial intelligence and a lot of computing complexities, designers will do with a breather. Hence, traveling back in time to draw blissful inspiration from the old days simplistic but yet impactful design style, faded retro color palette, and a resurgence of authentic vibe that characterized the 70s. This also means a significant rise in retro style illustration for posters and other graphic design like web and packaging. Vector illustrations with a lot of texture and intricate arts will be visible in product packaging and branding projects. This trend list won't be complete without an infusion of AI. It is important to note that artificial intelligence (AI) isn't here to take your job as a designer. Instead, it is your creative ally, a tool that enhances your work. They excel in saving you a significant amount of time and effort, most especially with their image generation capabilities. With a designer's creative prompt, an AI tool can produce stunning graphical image representation suitable for various design projects. AI can give you a base image for your project, making your designs more unique and intricate in no time. Beyond image generation, AI offers a plethora of tools to aid image enhancement, resizing, color correction, background removal, and more. Designers are set to explore the extensive utility of AI in their designs in 2024 and beyond. So trends should not be applied compulsively. Incorporate them when they align with the project needs. Not every project will naturally fit into a trend, so it is important to not force it. Instead, dedicate time to experiment with the trend on passion projects. This will allow you to explore creative ways to seamlessly incorporate them when the opportunity arises. To learn more about other graphic design topics, click on video on your screen.